Welcome to Infinity Tech. From raw ingredients to perfectly wrapped chocolate bars, let's explore the complete journey of KitKat production. Every KitKat begins with carefully selected ingredients, arriving from around the world. Check the flour levels for the next shift. Looks good, we are clear for automated transfer.
The sugar flow is stabilizing now.
Good, keep the water pressure steady.
Precision mixing creates the foundation of every perfect wafer layer. Temperature holding steady at 25 degrees Celsius. Texture verified. Layer by layer, the signature KitKat structure begins to take shape.
Look at that finish, perfectly smooth. Yeah? Yes, the settings are optimal now. Look at that finish, perfectly smooth. Yeah? Yes, the settings are optimal now.
The throughput stabilized at 99.8%.
Exceeded projections again.
Every package carries a complete record of its journey through the factory.
The throughput matches the projections.
Good. The vision system calibration is holding steady. Automation allows millions of bars to be packaged with extraordinary consistency. The throughput is exceeding targets by 10%. Good. The new sorter integration is paying off.